In today's video, we're going to talk about how to utilize YouTube to market your service business. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Michael Tanridge. I run a 7-figure marketing agency, and I also have a weekly newsletter called The Midweek Marketer, where I give away one actual marketing strategy that I'm using in my businesses and using for my clients' businesses. If you'd like to sign up for that, click the link in the description below. Now, I honestly believe that this strategy in 2025 is one of the best marketing strategies for your service-based business. And the reason being is I haven't seen any other businesses outside of a few of my clients that are actually utilizing this strategy to grow their service business. Now, most service-based business owners focus on Google ads, on Google local service ads, on Facebook ads, on SEO, and that's great, and you should be doing that. However, there's a portion of Google that service-based companies are not utilizing whatsoever, and that is YouTube. And that portion of Google that they're not utilizing at all is the video section on Google. So if you type in a specific keyword like garage door repair company near me, and if you look up at the top, it says videos up at the top of Google. That section typically is never taken over by service-based companies, and it leaves it wide open for you and me to do it. Now, I utilize this strategy with my accounting firm, and within 24 hours, we had videos ranking for specific keywords like accountants in Traverse City. It's absolutely insane how fast you can rank your videos and get it up there on Google. Now, a big reason that majority of companies aren't utilizing this strategy is because they see Google and YouTube as two separate things. Now, Google is the largest search platform in the world, but YouTube is the second largest search platform, and Google owns YouTube. So they're going to be showcasing YouTube videos on Google. But the main issue is people think YouTube videos mean I have to create or vlog or whatever content and just have it on YouTube for people to find. The issue with that is Google showcases those videos over on Google. So you can utilize that and hack it to be able to show your videos over on Google, and those get prioritized. All right, so let's dive into how exactly to utilize YouTube to market or grow your service business. The first thing that you want to do is you want to go to Google and type in Google Keyword Planner. Once you Google that, you will find that Google tool, and you'll be able to start looking up keywords in your area that you want to rank these videos for. So what these keywords are they are actual terms that people are typing into Google that live in your area. So to give you an example of my accounting firm, people type in accountant in Traverse City. Now, I know people type this in because in the Google Keyword Planner, I can type that phrase in and see how many people are searching that on average every single month. And I know about 100 people search that on average every single month. In tax season, obviously it goes higher, but on average, about 100 people search that specific keyword every single month. Now, there's a couple things with this. You want to make sure that whatever keyword you're putting in, you have your service, so that's an accountant, and then your location, so in Traverse City. So if you are a roofer, right? So you'd want to type in, roofing in Columbus, Ohio. And you'd want to see in the Google Keyword Planner how many people are actually looking up this. But essentially what you want to do is you want to have your service and then location. So you want to have service in location. Now, if you have multiple services and you work in multiple locations, that's great. What you want to do is you want to take every single service and list it out, and take every single location and list it out. So if you're an HVAC company, you put furnace, AC, filters, any of the services that you do in Columbus, Ohio, whatever location other than Columbus, Ohio. Point is that you want to list out all your services and list out all your locations. After doing your keyword research and you have your whole list of research, what you want to do is start creating your videos. Now, there's a couple super important parts here when you're creating your video. You want to pick one keyword that you did your research on. So let's go roofing company in Columbus, Ohio. And what you want to do is you want to create a 5 to 10 minute video talking about your company and why you're better than your competitors. And what you want to do in that video is you want to make sure you mention multiple times that you're a roofing company in Columbus, Ohio. The reason that you want to do this is YouTube has AI that goes through your entire video and creates the subtitles for that video. But when they create the subtitles, they read through all of it and go, okay, what should we rank this video for? So that plays a huge role in how to get your video to show up on YouTube. You'll also notice me mention multiple times how to use YouTube to market or grow your service business. And so if you notice, I titled the YouTube video, How to Use YouTube to Market or Grow Your Service Business. Or close to that. These videos are probably going to be how to use YouTube to market your service business. But the point is I just mentioned it 3 times right there. So when YouTube goes through my subtitles, they're going to see it 3 times and know, oh, we should probably rank this video for that keyword. So super, super important that you mention it multiple times without sounding weird, but mention it multiple times in the video, that specific keyword, because you're just making this one video off of that one keyword. Now, really quick before I go on to the next one, I actually wrote about this entire strategy the other week in my weekly newsletter called the Midweek Marketer. I break this down, the specific strategies every single Wednesday that I'm utilizing to grow my businesses and my clients' businesses. It's completely free. If you'd like to sign up for it, click the link in the description below. It's also super important after you've created your video to execute on a couple other things to make sure it ranks quickly on Google. And that first thing is the title. Now, you probably can guess that, as I previously mentioned, the title of the video should mention your keyword. So if you're doing roofing company in Columbus, Ohio, you probably want it to be best roofing company in Columbus, Ohio, or looking for roofing company in Columbus, Ohio is the title of your video. You want to make sure the keyword is in the title of your video. It's obviously mentioned multiple times when you create the video, but you want to make sure it's in the title. The other part of this is you want to make sure your description is really good. What I mean is you want to make sure that you're obviously putting the keyword of your video into the description, but you also want to put in your website, your phone number, how can they reach out to you after they've watched this video? Otherwise, there's really like no point to do this. So put that in the description. And even when you're recording the video, make sure you mention, hey, if you want to reach out to us, click the link in the description below. Or, hey, if you want to reach out to us, call, blah, 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 your phone number. So make sure you have that description really nailed down too. Now, the final thing, and this is super important when you're trying to use YouTube to market or grow your service business. See, I just dropped the keyword again. You want to make sure the thumbnail all relates with every single video you make. So for example, I'll put a screenshot of my buddy's business here. He has a landscaping company down in Florida. Every single video that he has a picture of him in the thumbnail. So whenever someone sees the videos on the mobile device, like in this screenshot, or when they hit video tab on the top, like in this screenshot, you'll see that his face is on every single one. And what we'll do with my marketing agency is we'll make sure we utilize his face in all the Google ads, all the Google local service ads, on all the landing pages. And the point is that if someone's seeing those ads and they're seeing the video, there's a part there that pulls the brand together. So they always know that it's this guy's business. Otherwise, what's happening is you're just creating these videos, and that's great, and you should be, but they're not going to be like, oh my gosh, this person has overwhelmed all of Google with their search results. So you want to make sure that you're in the thumbnail, or your brand colors are in the thumbnail, or your business's logo is on the thumbnail. You want to make sure that there's a way to pull together and string together every single one of these videos. Now, as long as you follow this entire process and there's no one else doing it in your market, you should be able to rank your videos within 24 hours. And I highly, highly, highly recommend, even if you aren't great at videos, that's totally fine, it just comes down to practice, you have to make like 20 to 40 to 50 of these to be able to fully take over those video spots on Google and really put your mark down. The more videos you make, the more you can take over, and the more videos that Google's gonna showcase for those keywords. And I also, when I say 20 to 30 to 40 to 50 videos, I'm talking specific to each keyword. So that way, if someone's looking up roofing company in Columbus, Ohio, it's all of your videos on roofing company in Columbus, Ohio. But if you also do siding, you should have all these videos on siding in Columbus, Ohio. And if you also, service like Steubenville, Ohio or something like that, you should have roofing company in Steubenville, Ohio, and create a bunch of videos for that. Create all these videos. I know it's a lot of work, but it'll get you into those top spots. It's free lead generation. It's a fantastic way to grow your business. Now, if you're looking for paid lead generation through ad campaigns, reach out to my marketing agency. We build custom websites for companies, and we also do ad campaigns, so Google ads and Facebook ads. If you'd like to reach out, schedule some time with me to talk more about that, click the link in the description below. And finally, if you'd like to get onto my free newsletter called the Midweek Marketer, where you get one actual marketing strategy to scale and grow your business, it's the strategies that I'm using with my businesses and my clients' businesses, click the link in the description below. So that's my video on how to use YouTube to market and grow your service business. Just use the keyword again. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and I'll see you in the next one.